Morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about the dangers of detailing. Let's get into it. Good chilly this morning, Kentucky, March 22nd, and it's 35 degrees, but we're detailing one today at a hospital. A nurse works here, and a little blue Jeep, so it's kind of close to the other cars, but we'll make it work. And it's not too bad inside. Got a lot of personal stuff gonna get out. It don't look bad. Got some stains in there. Lots of fingerprints. Nice little Jeep. This is a full inside outside. Scrubbing on her. Yeah, here in the cubby. Cubby looks good. Not done too bad. Jams a little dirty. Got some smudges there. Oh no. It'll be a good one. Couple hours, knock it out. See. There we go. We're talking about the dangers of detailing today, and one of the most common things come up with is pull muscles. And I mean, you get in some of these shapes and configurations trying to clean a vehicle, and it's real easy to contort your body to places that you normally don't get into, unless you're a yoga master and that kind of thing. You know, stretching in the mornings and stuff, we don't stretch. I'm 52, overweight, and trying to get in here and clean these cars upside down. So I've got my son, you know, he's 23 and limber and agile, and he can get in these positions and that I can't get into in these smaller cars. And that's one of the reasons why we like cleaning trucks, is because you don't really contort your body into positions that is unnatural. So I let him do all the small stuff, and let him get into these positions where you can't hardly clean these vehicles, or some of them you got to get in these different bent out of shape positions. Another safety item we want to talk about is gloves, rubber gloves. You're probably not going to be able to hear me over these shop backs, but we keep our gloves right there. We got a little magnet thing from a glove box holder from Home Depot, and we like to keep our gloves. I mean, it's just so handy to keep your hands clean, protects you from chemicals and that kind of thing. But it's real easy to get to. Say that when I pull out 3 gloves. So, but yeah, we These are a must. We get them at you get them at Lowe's or online on Amazon, or we also have some from Harbor Freight, and they're pretty good too. It just depends on what you like. We use the 5 mil gloves, and just keeps your hands good and safe. All right, so we talk about chemicals and being safe with chemicals. You can see we got chemicals, 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 chemicals. Most of the time on the backs of these things, they'll tell you safety precautions on stuff. But here's a little fact for you, in case you didn't know. You can go on www.msds.com and find the material safety data sheets on all your chemicals. They will tell you all the safety precautions you need to use with them, what not to do with them, and how to first aid if you have problems. So if you get in your eyes, you eat it, you drink it, whatever you're going to do with it. You ever have a problem with, you inhale it, get in your eye, whatever, it's good to have that, and you can get that on your phone to look it up and see how to rinse it out, what you need to do if you need to go to the hospital or whatever. But number one right here, gloves, glasses. Me and Aaron both wear glasses, so we don't really wear safety glasses. Don't mix your chemicals. We're not chemists. When you start mixing chemical with chemical with chemical and trying to get a better clean, you're not necessarily getting a better cleaning chemical. You're probably getting a seat eating chemical, or a carpet eating chemical, or a carpet bleaching chemical once you start mixing stuff. So be careful, use them as directed as much as possible. Be safe. You don't want to have to pay for somebody's carpet or seats or plastic that you've ruined in somebody's car. So if you are going to be careless washing these cars, you want to take risk involved, it's always good to work in front of the hospital.